Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to find Minecraft screenshot folder on Windows 10 and 11. Okay, so the path with your screenshots is going to be as follows. As you can see, it's a little bit of an advanced path. Also guys, don't forget, if you want to access your appdata folder, you will need to go into your Explorer settings. Okay, so just type in folder and go to File Explorer Options. Okay, this window will appear, and then go to View and make sure that your setting for Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives is turned on. If it's turned off, you will not be able to access this appdata folder. After that, press on Windows plus R and just type in this exact path right here into this field. So in my case, I don't have Minecraft folder. I'm just explaining to you where you can find the screenshots. So I'll just go ahead and open up my appdata like this. Press OK, and here in this folder you will find your folder pretty much with your Minecraft. It's going to be .minecraft as set in here in my notepad, and then the subfolder is going to be called screenshots. This is where all your screenshots from the game are stored and kept. That's it, pretty easy to do as you can see. Enjoy the guide, like and subscribe guys, see you soon in the next one.